Hello my YouTube friends, this is Noah with Save Green here, and something that we've been talking about for a while now is Mint Mobile, but they recently just added Canada and Mexico as far as the places you can call for free with their plan. So you'll see that if you got an email, or if you're not a member of Mint Mobile yet, you can see it on their website. So we'll take you there and show you what we're talking about here. So if you go to their website and you go on the plans, you'll be able to see that they have 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month plans. So to put it into perspective, if you go under 12-month plans, let's say you wanted to go somewhere in the middle, like right here where it says $20 a month, that will include 5 gigs of data, unlimited talk and text, now also including Canada and Mexico. Basically, you will pay what you see on the right here, $240, but you will be covered for a full year. That comes down to $20 a month. If you want more data, you can pay $5 more and double your data from 5 gigs to 20 gigs down here at the bottom, but you would have to pay $300 at once, and that will cover you for a year worth of phone service, including talk and text and 10 gigs of data. Now, one thing you want to know is that Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's antennas or towers, so you will have the same signal that you do with T-Mobile. So if you're on T-Mobile now, or let's say you're on Metro PCS, which also uses T-Mobile's towers, you would get basically the same service, same reception. Again, for $25 a month with 10 gigs of data, unlimited talk and text, and now also including Mexico and Canada, not a bad deal. If you're not a big data user, you can go as little as $15 a month for 12 months. Basically, you would pay $180 at once, but you will be covered for a full year. Now, keep in mind, you can also go with a 3-month plan. So by default, they're giving you 3 months now on their page, and you still get the same price. It's like a special introductory, but normally would cost $30 a month if you went with 3 months. If you went with 6, you see it's a little bit more for each of the respective plans. So basically, you save more when you bundle up. That's their whole thing. So if you go with 12 months, you obviously will get the best price. You pay it all at once, and you don't have to worry about a cellular phone bill for a full 12 months. That's really cool. So again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Hope you all have a nice day.